Hi there, welcome to the Zapiet Academy. Today I will show you how to generate an automated export. This feature allows you to schedule delivery or pickup order exports via CSV files to be sent straight to your inbox on a daily or weekly basis. You can choose to receive reports due the next day or to orders due in the next week, and for all orders or only those related to a specific checkout method. You need to be on the professional plan or higher in our Zapiet Pickup and Delivery app. Now let's start by configuring a report. Click Settings, then Automated Exports. Enter the email or emails that should receive the export. Tick the days of the week you want to receive the export. Choose the time in UTC you want to receive the export. Choose the delivery options you want included in the export. Choose if you want to receive a report for orders due daily or orders due on a weekly basis. Click Save. You will now receive automated reports on the day and time you've selected. Your reports will look similar to this one. It should include information such as pickup and delivery times, customer information such as their name and order number, as well as the selected checkout method. For more information, take a look at our help articles in the description below. If you have any questions or are interested in a demo, please reach us at support@zapiet.com or on chat and we'll be happy to help.